Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about the most simplest way how to create UGC videos. Basically what you see on Instagram, TikTok, a lot of it is AI where people reviewing products, skincare products, I mean it could be any product, and you could see people talking about how they use it, and it's user generated videos, but it's actually using AI. I see a lot of YouTubers doing those UGC videos using N8N, really complicated different scenario softwares where I'm going to show you, but we're going to go straight to the most easiest way. I'm going to show you how I use it to create those videos. So let's get started. So this is really the complex way to build UGC videos. So basically you have this Google spreadsheet where you have the products and then it builds different prompts for each product. So, but this automation has VO3 for images, for videos, SORA. So basically it sends to three different ways, then it waits, and then it goes the URL you get back in your Google Sheets, basically. Okay, so then you could just copy and paste. So this is a really complex way to build it. So I'm going to show you how I started using it instead of going through all this automations and just I find that it even saved me time the way I'm going to show you. So what we're going to use, so the website is Kai AI. I'm going to zoom in once I'm done with the video. So this is all the videos that I created. Let me show you how beautiful this is. This is SORA Pro 2. Okay, so Kai gets literally the latest information on all these models. So you don't have to go searching, going to SORA, going to VO3, one, now it's in Google. It's all in one, and then it just deducts the money just from you get credit. So you could use for images, for anything. Again, I'm going to zoom in. It's Kai AI. Okay, so let me show you what a beautiful video this is. Again, this is using SORA. I'm not going to waste any time, but this is
Elements of Nature Epigram. It's this natural wheat germ essence that totally revived my skin.
Again, this is beautiful, and this is where I post it right in here on the Instagram. And I'm going to show you again, and you could use it obviously for TikTok, anything. So I created, and I keep creating the same girl if I wanted to. So this is the same character that I could reuse it in different videos promoting different products. I have several of the characters. Let me show you, but you do have to go to SORA to create these characters. So let me show you how I did it. So this is my account. Okay, I have three of them. Okay, I have the blonde girls. I have two blonde girls speaking different accents. So the way you create it is you keep this right in here, this prompt. Right in here. Just copy. You could pause the video and just paste it, and it will create a different character. So I'm gonna post it. So again, I could save it. Let's see how she comes out. But this is, let me just pause the video. Let me zoom in. Get rid of this. Okay. You could pause it and copy and paste. Obviously, you could change any kind of information here. Bedroom, bathroom. Do you want her to have Australian accent or English? You could even get rid of that. Obviously, if you want to run for clothes or anything else, just describe your character. Very simple. Okay, let me close that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create a prompt of a product that you want to promote. Either you get it. I mean, I'm running this e-commerce organic skincare. So that's what I basically did. I just copied the product information, just like that. You could do whatever you want. You could obviously cancel, and you're gonna go to ChatGPT, okay, and you could just simply ask for a prompt. UGC prompt right here. This is what I copied and paste. I need a 15-second UGC-style SORA prompt, and you could actually improve the prompt. And I just copied and paste, and this is the name of the character. And you have all these different characters again right in here. Okay, I created. Sorry, characters. And you just do blonde girl, right? Just click on her. This is how she looks like, and she's going to be consistent in the videos. Okay, so you could just copy her name and put it where at is. You just replace that girl with the at sign. Okay, and you could give a name for each and every character, so this way she's going to be in every single video that you guys going to produce. And this is the video that he came out with, the one that I showed you earlier. Okay, look how beautiful that is. And let me just show you, you have access to all these different models right in here. This is all video models. Let me move that. Images. I mean, you don't have to go to looking for nano banana that everybody talks about. It's literally all in here. Okay, and you have different apps, the different tags that you're gonna place. This is what I use to create the video. Let me just show you. No, that's not it. Let's go back to key. And I use SORA Pro. Okay, and I used image to video. And I simply pasted. The best way they recommend is to use, 720 by 1280 pixels right in here. That's what I did. And you just simply paste the image, and then you paste the prompt. Obviously this is taking longer than usual, but once you get it, it's going to be so quick. Okay, so you just copy and paste this, and you're ready to go. And it'll create another video for you. And obviously I got the text using Claude to post it, and right in here, this is what you see on Instagram. So basically that's how I make my UGC videos. Hopefully you guys learned something. And one more thing, guys, I almost forgot. You have to, once you created your character, you go to Edit Cameo, and you got, originally it's going to be only me, but you got to select and save for everyone to use it if you want to use that character. Okay guys, hopefully you learned something. If you did, please subscribe so you could get videos just like this in your YouTube feed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.